Hey, this is Russell Schlup,
This is Jairo.
This is Tyrone.
and we're doing a demonstration for day 7. The application that we created was a timer alert system that you set a certain time in the day that you're in right now, and it will go off at that time. This is the home page. This is how it would look when you first come to it. And you click the button to start reminders. This is the default reminders that go in there, well, that we've set in there so far. You can create them. So and right now it's 1:15 a.m. so let's set it for 2 o'clock. Right here, say hello, and we'll say hello in 31,500 milliseconds. And you can also delete it, but it prompts you first, like it always should, before you delete something. And that's the demonstration for this application. You can also edit things. Edit the time that goes in there. Now, here's a demonstration of the code. Right here at first, it sets your default object to your local storage, so you at least have something in there so you know what to do and what it's going to look like. That way you don't go in there and feel lost. Right. Right here it parses it, obviously. And basic CRUD stuff. So when it starts off, it will actually run a function for it's an on click. When you click on the start button, start creating, it will change you to the home, and it will console log that it was clicked just to make sure. It will hide the add button so that it's not there when you first start off. That way it's better for UI. It will set the items to the root scope data, which was defined earlier, which is the local storage. That way it will ng repeat through and create the CRUD items. This is the jQuery timer that was created, that we used the jQuery timer library. It will alert that the timer is finished once the timer actually has finished. This is broken. Don't look at that. This adds an object to the array, which will get stored in the local data right here in local storage, and then it will take you back to the home. So what it basically does is it adds what was in the input fields and pushes it up, and then sets what was pushed up to the local storage. The delete, it pulls it down, deletes it, and then sets it again. This edits it and then sets it again, and that's how this code works. And that concludes the demonstration for Lab 7 side application. Huh?
Just show you.
Alright. Here is the script for the jQuery plugin that basically makes time. Right here is the time of today. Gets the hour and the minute. Sets the hour and the minute into milliseconds right here, and then subtracts what time you set originally for the object. And then it console logs it so that you know what is showing up, and then it sets it to the plugin that we had created. And all this is your basic CRUD items. Here is actually the select for from 1 o'clock to midnight. And that concludes our demonstration for Lab 7.